got that dope.
Hey YouTube, it's Drake and I'm back with another video, and I'm not in my usual setting as you can see, but yeah, if you want to see me do a reinstall on this wig, then keep watching. Okay, y'all, so I know I was supposed to been did this video, but this is the only time that I can really do it. But I'm gonna start off with this, whatever you want to call it. My hair is dry and all of this other stuff, but we're gonna get it together. So I'm taking this comb. I really don't know what it's called, but it's actually a pretty good comb. It's like 6 different combs put into one, but moral of the story, this is the best comb slash brush slash whatever that you would ever need. I'm gonna find where I bought it off of, which I think is Amazon, but I'm gonna show y'all because it's definitely a life changer. Okay, so now that I'm done detangling my hair, I'm gonna take a red tail comb and I'm gonna part in the middle of my head. Now, this really doesn't matter how you braid your hair. If you have a specific braid pattern that you do, then do that. But as long as it's flat, then you'll be fine. But I just do cornrows straight to the back, and that's pretty much it. So you guys are about to watch me braid some of my hair, but my parts aren't straight, obviously, but like I said, it really doesn't matter. As long as your braids are small enough to where everything is flat, you'll be fine. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done braiding my hair. Now I'm just going to go in with any type of oil, hair growth oil, and just oil my scalp. Okay, now, so right here I'm taking a brown wig cap, preferably dark brown, so I don't have to put foundation on top of it. But I take that wig cap and I put it on my head, and I don't know why I'm taking so long to do it, but yeah, I'm gonna put that on my head, and then I'm gonna take my Got To Be freeze spray and my ghost bond glue and go over my hairline with it, and then I'm gonna cut that off, but I'll show you all that. Okay, now you can see I've got my Got To Be freeze spray, and I'm spraying it on my hairline, and this is just going to protect it from the glue, which I'm going to put on after that. And with the ghost bond, I used about 3 very thin layers, and you're going to see I actually could have done way less than 3, but I was just kind of, I don't know why, but I was paranoid that it wasn't going to be enough glue, and when I was going to cut the cap that it was all going to come up, so I just did 3, but it was perfectly fine. It wasn't too much because I did thin layers. Okay, so right here I'm taking an eyebrow razor and I'm cutting the wig cap. Now, you can do this with scissors, but it usually doesn't get a close enough cut as to where the eyebrow razor gets it down just right. So you'll see that. But if you can do it with scissors, that's perfectly fine. But I find using the eyebrow razor so much better. Okay, I just wanted to say the reason why I cut it down like this and I put that part of the cap behind my ear is because this wig is a 4x4 closure. So unlike a frontal, I don't need all of that, but I didn't feel like cutting all that cap for it to start lifting up. So I just put it behind my ears, and then I tie the 2 little pieces in the back. Okay, now after I cut the rest of the cap, I'm going to go back over it with the same combination, the freeze spray and the glue, and I'm just going to lay down the edges of the cap. Okay, so now after I've combed out the wig and I got it on my head, I just slid it back some, and I'm going back with that ghost bun. But this time, if not this layer, you'll see on the next layer, I make sure when I smear down the glue to get some a little bit in front of that cap, just so it lays down flat. And you guys will see this wig is really, really nice. I liked it. It gives nothing but scalp, but you guys are going to see that next. Okay, after I cut my baby hairs, I go in with my Nairobi foam, and then I just put that kind of on the top of everything, like basically my part, and then the little piece in the front. You're gonna see where I put it at. But then after that, I just get ready to do my edges. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the freeze spray, and I'm just going to spray on top to get rid of the flyaways, and I'm still going to spray that piece in the front right there. And just to stand it back up how it was, I usually would go over with a hot comb, but I was feeling kind of lazy, so I just did it with my hand and the comb, and it works just the same. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's really all I did to reinstall this wig. Everything else was pretty much done. But yeah, come back for more videos. My mama in the back.
DA got that dope.